redefining the concept of comfort. Wheelchair users spend most of the time in wheelchairs. Users will be under high risk of developing decubitus ulcers because the pressure points are concentrated on the hip bone area. VIP 515 integrates three main functions to help users have a better life. Tilt-in-space design. The tilt-in-space ranging from 0 to 35 is able to distribute pressure effectively over a greater area and make users feel more comfortable. The sitting pressure is redistributed while the chair is tilted up, so users can experience unprecedented comfort and relaxation. Intelligent center of gravity weight shifting system. The unique system allows center of gravity to be shifted between front and rear wheels during tilt-in-space, providing the steadiest structure possible, along with greater safety as well. Superior weight shifting gas spring. The system is composed of 2 hydraulic pressure support bars. It helps reduce tremor, enhancing the comfort during tilting and sitting upright. Ergonomic headrest. Ergonomically designed headrest offers great support and pressure relief for shoulder and neck. Height adjustable and flip-back armrest. Armrest height can be adjusted at ease for comfortable seating. Flip-back armrest allows easy transfer. Inward and outward swing-away footrest. Inward and outward swing-away footrest improves convenience for moving in tight areas and allows easier access to the chair as well. Anti-tippers. Prevent turning over while tilt-in-space. Dual-purpose backrest and seat upholstery. Interchangeable upholstery offers solutions to both hot and cold environments. Aegis microbe shield. VIP 515 has seat upholstery and pads treated with Aegis microbe shield technology to reduce stains and odor. Pelvic belt. Click and clip pelvic belt prevents users from sliding forward and enhances safety. Lightweight aluminum frame. Foldable and compact. It is foldable and extremely compact, easy to store and transport. Footrest hanger extension bracket. Axle traveling elevating footrest. Amputee footrest. 20-inch fixed rear wheels. VIP 515 has passed the crash tests conducted in the UK. This ensures the transportation safety of this portable wheelchair. Standing out from 1,281 pieces of works, VIP 515 won the Gold Award, which is the highest level in Taiwan Excellence 2014.